Gentlemen, this is a video about a no-start condition on a 13 Trophy 1200 SE, which is a modern Triumph product. I would hit the button and nothing would happen. It had lights on the dash, and scanning with the scan tool revealed the switches. The clutch switch, the starter switch, the kickstand switch were all operating normally. I couldn't hear it because I'm half deaf, but the low wattage relay located right here was clicking. I heard, after I took it apart a little bit, I could put my finger on here and feel it click. The low wattage relay protects the wiring and the switch so you don't have heavy current going through this switch. The low wattage relay provides enough wattage to activate what in the manual is called the starter solenoid, but they fail to reveal the location of the starter solenoid. The starter solenoid is actually a heavy wattage relay and is mounted right here next to the battery. And the little black wire, I think you can see, the little black wire right there, that had come off its terminal. It's a male blade terminal on the heavy wattage relay, and the connector is a female blade terminal, and it had lost its tension. And I did drop it on this side, so it probably got bumped and loosened. But both terminals, the clamping force of the female blade terminal in the wire was very poor. And so I tightened them up with a pair of pliers. And now it starts. Thank you very much.